Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the model name of your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim Chromebook. The exact model name of your laptop is located at the bottom of your device on the label that's right here. So in my case it says IP Slim 3 Chrome 14 A&B. Now if you need a model name to download a precise recovery image for your laptop, then in order to check it you're gonna have to press escape and refresh buttons simultaneously and short press the power key. This will get you to recovery mode where you'll be able to find your device's model name. In my case it's PUJJOTEEN-JQLW. To exit this menu, just short press the power button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.